it's interesting. Because mainly, and again, you have to tell me if this is right, mainly what you've been using before is kind of dissatisfaction rather than an actual sanction.
Right.
Or explanation of why something you shouldn't be doing something. As I've said to you before, the problem with talking is dissatisfaction. It means you kind of don't like what he's doing, and which children can't make these distinctions very well. So you kind of don't like him. So what you want is something where you say, you're fine, you're just doing what kids do, but this particular thing, if you do that, I'm gonna have this, you're gonna use 5 cents. It makes it far more technical problem rather than I'm being bad, I'm doing something I shouldn't do, or I've got some flaw. The one thing about using money is it's the incentive we all use in real life, right? That's why people pay us in this stuff, right, for our jobs. So money's real. And if you can find a way of making it real where they spend it like in your own, best obviously after COVID, to actually go to shops and spend, you decide what you want and actually pay the man and get your change and so on. But in this environment, obviously it'll be your shop, but it needs to be real. It's because stars work. If you were doing stars, they would work, but they run out because they're not real. It's just a token of, which is important to children. The token's important. But the thing about money, it's a token, yes, but it's also, you can buy things with it. Yes. It's got its own value. So it will always work in the end. It will always work. The only way it doesn't is if kids have got other supplies. If they've got other